Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Hasbullah from Team 4. First, I would like to introduce my team. Of course, Team 4. Here is Khairul Umam as presenter 1 who will explain paragraph 1 and 2. Then I am Hasbullah as presenter 2. I will explain paragraph 3 until 5. Then Ulwatul Mubashiro as presenter 3 who will explain paragraph 6 and 7. Then Safarina will explain paragraph 8 and 9. And the last is Razan who will explain paragraph 10 until 12. To make it easier for you guys to understand our presentation, let's watch the video from my team.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Razan and I'm the last presenter. First, I will explain about question words and suffix. Question word is more like a statement. Question words include how, what, when, why, who, and where. For example, Hyun Bin, who is popularly known as the lead role of Captain Ri in Crash Landing on You. In this sentence, the question word is who. And the last is suffix. Suffix is the process of forming new words by adding new syllables at the end of the word. For example, popular plus et, popularity. The second example is act plus or, actor.
Okay everyone, I'm Nurwatul Mubashiro. I want to explain about modals and qualifiers. Modals, verb express condition or possibility. Modal include might, may, can, would, will, could, shall, and should. For examples, Dian should come to the campus now. Qualifiers. Qualifiers function like verb. Qualifiers show the degree of an adjective or verb. Qualifiers include somewhat, very, really, pretty, quite, rather, too, and much. For example, he worked too hard.
Hello everyone, I am Safarina. Here I will present about function words. Function words are the words we use to make a sentence or parsers grammatical correct. Function words include determiner, preposition, and conjunction. Determiner includes article, demonstrative, possessive pronoun, and quantifier. Next, preposition. Preposition is give more information about noun. Conjunction is connecting word, connect part of sentence. Example. However, after that kind of difficult situation. Next example, it is because in the face of blockbuster movies produced by Hollywood. And then, Korean film began to produce and played in the theater. You can see the underlined word is conjunction. Next, gerund. Gerund is a noun made from a base verb plus ing. You can see rumus gerund, verb plus ing. Example, Siri had success in capturing more than few million viewers and making it to become the top South Korean movie. You can see the underlined words is gerund. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb are auxiliary verb that function to complete and or clarify the main verb in a sentence. So, the auxiliary verb cannot stand alone without the main verb. In a sentence, the main verb usually comes after the auxiliary. Example, Hollywood has become such continuous threat to the movie industry of Korea. Next, it is because the film industry in North Korea has only been talked about all topic. And next example, the movie theater has only played American and European film. You can see the underlined word is auxiliary. Forming adjective. Some adjectives can be identified by their endings. Example, Hollywood has become such continuous threat to the movie industry of Korea. You can see the underlined word is forming adjective. Next, forming adjective from other adjective. Example, get for the next Korean movies to reach its popularity internationally, and well as having low quality, especially in the age of international viewers. You can see the underworld words is forming adjective from other adjective. Derivative. Derivative. Derivative includes prefix, infix, and suffix. Prefix is the addition of an affix to the first syllable of a root word. Example, present, come, represent. And B, infix is the information of new words by adding a syllable in the middle. And suffix is the process of forming new words by syllable at the end. Example, product become production.
Okay guys, that explanation will make you more understand about Team 4 presentation. Okay then, let's start the presentation from the first presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Hairul Umam. In here present to article demonstrative, possessive pronoun, quantifier, conjunction, proposition, pronoun, auxiliary verb, modals, qualifier, question word, suffix, dan gerund. Artikel warna red, demonstrative, warna orange, possible pronoun, warna yellow, quantifier, warna dark green, conjunction, warna dark blue, position pink, pronoun dark purple, auxiliary verb light blue, modals light green, qualifier brown, conifer light purple, suffix heck light green, gerund heck light yellow.
Hi everyone, I am here to explain how to understand paragraph 3 until 5. As you can see, there are several colors that have different meaning. Red as article, orange as demonstrative, yellow as possessive pronoun, dark green as quantifier, dark blue as conjunction, pink as preposition, dark purple as pronoun, light blue as auxiliary verb, light green as modals, brown as qualifier, light purple as question word, highlight green as suffix, and highlight yellow as gerund.
Paragraph 6 and 7. Red article, highlight blue, prefix, highlight yellow, suffix, highlight green, forming adjective, highlight silver, gerund, highlight black, quantifiers, blue demonstrative, chocolate pronouns, green conjunction, yellow proposition, purple auxiliary verb.
And this is the 8th and 9th paragraph. Red for article, highlight blue for quantifier, purple for conjunction, and green for pronoun. Pink from demonstrative, blue for preposition, yellow for auxiliary verb. Next, Tosca for suffix, lilac for gerund, highlight green for forming adjective, and highlight yellow for prefix.
I will point which is the content words and function words in paragraph 10, 11, and 12. In paragraph 10, 11, and 12, there's many function words here, and the red one is article, orange is demonstrative, yellow for possessive pronoun, dark green for quantifier, dark blue for conjunction, pink for preposition, dark purple for pronoun, light blue for auxiliary verb, light green for modals, brown for qualifier, light purple for question word, and the highlight green is for suffix, highlight yellow is for gerund. There's content words too in paragraph 10, 11, and 12. For paragraph 10, the example for noun is Hong Kong, Taiwan, Thailand, India, Bangladesh, Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, viewer, drama, movies, music, culture, tradition, screen, ASEAN's success, spirit, portrait, media. And for the verb, there's come, followed, see, influence, appeared, become, used, refer, signed, and influence. And for the adjective is international, Korean, due, immense, rapid, first, and phenomenal. For the adverb, I just found recently. For paragraph 11 and 12, you can see the content words in the slide, and you can also pause the video to read the text. That's all from me. I will return it to the moderator.
So guys, thank you for your attention, thanks for your listening, thank you very much. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.